Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Shazaiwa and I hope you guys are doing well. So today I will be showing you guys a recipe, 3 recipes to tell exactly with pineapple. So we will be using pineapple to make pineapple toast, pineapple salad and pineapple pickles. So if there are pineapple lovers out there who is watching this video, I am sure you guys are gonna love these recipes. So without further more ado, let's get started. So first we'll be preparing pineapple toast. For that, cut the pineapple into thin slices and mix it with chili powder and salt. Mix it all together very well. And now we're going to toast the pineapple. And for that, add 2 tablespoons of butter into a pan and let it melt. And then place the pineapple onto the pan one by one. Now let it toast for 2 minutes on both the sides. And now our pineapple toast is ready. Now let's place it on a serving plate. Looks so tasty. And just for a decoration, I will be spreading coriander leaves on it. It's totally optional. And next we'll be preparing pineapple salad, and of course the main ingredient is pineapple, so we'll be adding pineapple and then cucumber, carrots, then onions, tomato, and then parsley leaves. You can also use coriander leaves instead if you don't have parsley leaves. And then mix it all together very well. And now we'll be preparing the dressing for our salad, and for that we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of honey, a little bit of pepper, salt, and at last half a lemon. There you go. Now mix the dressing, mix it all together. And now pour the dressing into the salad and then mix the salad all together. There you go, our salad is ready. Now we'll be just serving it into a serving plate. The next we'll be preparing one of my favorites, pineapple pickle. And for that, cut the pineapple into small pieces like this. And into that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, then vinegar, and then chili. Also add a little bit of salt and mix it all together. Then just squeeze the pineapple so that the juice of the pineapple could be mixed with the vinegar. And so that's all. Now our pineapple pickle is ready. We'll be just serving it into a serving plate. And there you go, all our 3 variety pineapple recipes are ready. They look all so tasty. Hey guys, so all our pineapple recipes are ready over here, and I literally love all of them, and the most one that gives me memories is the pickle, because the pineapple pickle, we always eat it with biryani, and biryani and pineapple pickle is a great combination, and this is my grandmother's recipe. We just love it, and we always go in India during the occasion, so all of those memories come back when I eat the pineapple pickle. And the pineapple salad is very healthy. You could use it for dinner, and the pineapple toast, we could maybe use it for lunch. At 5 o'clock when you drink tea with rusk or biscuits like that and all, you could just use this as well. So all of them are just like so good, and yeah, that's all, and I hope you liked the recipe. So if you did, please do a like, share and subscribe this channel, and also remember to ring that notification bell so that you can be notified in my next video. So bye, and thanks for watching.